I respect you and I do respect you. What's the difference between these two sentences? Can you guess? I repeat, I respect you and I do respect you. What's the difference? If you know, please let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, I am going to say the exact difference between these two sentences. See, first sentence, I respect you. Okay, first sentence. Here, the sentence structure is SVO, that means subject, verb and object. It's a simple structure of a sentence. Now, if you add do verb before V, that means before main verb, if you add do verb to this sentence, it will be meant strong, and this do verb makes your statement strong. Okay, so when you use do before the main verb, that means you are going to say strongly, or you want to emphasize or strengthen your words or sentence. That's why you use do verb. So I respect you, it's a normal sentence. If I say I do respect you, that means I emphasize my word or I make my statement strong. That's why I say I do respect you. That means I respect you more. Got it? For more example, I love my icons. Or if I say I do love my icons, that means I love my icons very much. Okay, when I add do verb, that means I am going to make my statement stronger. For another example, I do work hard in this year. That means I must work hard in this year 2023. I hope that you got that idea how to use do before main verb in a sentence to emphasize or to make your statement strong. And by the way, I have been using an application which is totally free, and this video is sponsored by this application. And also you can practice with this application in your comfort zone. Nobody will watch you, so you can practice on your own with this application, and this application will talk to you. So download the application from the link given below in the description. Go and check it out and download it. I have already made a video, a dedicated video how to use this application, so I will provide that link also in the description, so go and check it out. And if this application is worthy to you, then please download this application from the link given below in the description. Okay, and this video is sponsored by this application. So now you are able to use the word do in a sentence, right, to make your statement strong. Then please comment below and give an example using do verb. Okay, I would love to read this. See you soon in another helpful video. Till then, enjoy English learning.